We all have words that we misspell. An example might be TEH for the. As soon as I hit the space bar, autocorrect automatically corrects the spelling. Other things happen automatically as well. For example, if I go 1/2, as soon as I hit the space bar, I get a half. If I go the second, as soon as I hit the space bar, I get an ordinal. These things that happen automatically are called autocorrect, and we can use autocorrect to save us a lot of typing. For example, in the ribbon, click File, and from there click Options. And on the left hand side, choose Proofing, and then click the button Autocorrect Options. Things that are automatically corrected are listed here. For example, if you don't capitalize the first letter of a sentence, Word will. If you don't capitalize the name of a day, Word will. And if you've accidentally got your caps lock on and suddenly realize that your case is all up the kibosh, just keep typing because it'll automatically correct it. Things that Word automatically replaces are listed in the first column, and what it replaces it with are listed in the second column. For example, if you type a colon in an open bracket, you'll get a sad face. If you look further down, a colon in a closed bracket is a happy face. What I'd like to do is ask Word to replace DI with decorating ink. And I'll click Add. The effect of this will be whenever I type DI, I'll get decorating ink. Actually, I might have a full stop. And Add. And here it's listed here. If I then click OK and OK, whenever I type DI and press the space bar, I get decorating ink. Think of other phrases and words and terms that you use on a regular basis and maybe build those into Word so autocorrect automatically corrects them and saves you a lot of typing. Sometimes I want it to give me automatically a certain word or a phrase, but it has to be formatted a certain way. For this, for example, I might type Mary Baker. Whenever I want Mary Baker, it has to be formatted to a certain font. On my Home tab in the ribbon, the font is currently set to Arial. I'm going to change this to Times New Roman. I'd also like to change the size to 16. And I'd like to make it blue. That blue. And I'd like to make it bold and italics. What I'd like Word to do now is whenever I type MB, that it replaces it with Mary Baker and format it in the following way. So I've highlighted this text. I go into File and back to Options, choose Proofing on the left and click the Autocorrect Options button. I'm going to tell Word whenever I type MB that it automatically replaces it with Mary Baker in the formatted version. Because I had the text selected, it's automatically picked this up. So I click Add. The asterisk means this is formatted. When I click OK and OK, if I was to click somewhere in my document and type MB, as soon as I press the spacebar, I'll get Mary Baker and it'll be formatted Times New Roman 16 bold, italics and blue. If you ever need to delete an autocorrect option, just go back to File, back to Options, choose Proofing on the left and click the Autocorrect Options button. To find MB, I'll type MB. Here it is here, and I can use the Delete button to delete it. I can also replace DI, or I could delete it. Here it is here, and when I hit the Delete button, I've deleted that particular autocorrect option. And OK, and OK.